Drama. Yeah, I've been running and running to keep it 100, it's all that I wanted. But lately I don't get the stomach. The higher the summit, the harder the plummet. They know me all over this planet. I'm just a man and I can't understand it. Proud that I win and I did it myself. Probably wouldn't if I got the help. Hearing subliminals all on myself. Feel like I'm breaking, I'm falling to hell. Told me I'm sick and I tell her, oh well. Rather be dead than to know that I failed. Live for the chase, life is a race. I'm out of space, I'ma get on my face. I got a taste, want the whole plate. Finna get laced if you step out of place. Like, first off, you don't run nothing. All talk and your team bluff it. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is us made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like. Been down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like. And I'ma get it right, get on sight like. Never really know when you're gonna go. Why you gotta put another foot in front of yours? Bury them toes, carry them close. I was never one to care about my mentos. I was like froze, now I'm on floor. Give me that smoke, but I can't get high. We do the most, here to inspire. Doing what I'm supposed, but I can't get tired. Run for your life every night. See in the dark, blind by the light. I got the spark, I got the pipes. All of my arts coming to life. Had to face my fears while I chase my peers, and I found my spot. About time that I found myself. I've been out here walking that walk. Like, first off, you don't run nothing. All talk and your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crush it. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like. First off, you don't run nothing. All talk and your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crush it. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like. Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like. And I'ma get it right, dead on sight like.
Hey everyone, good morning to you. Good morning. Let me slide my chair over. It is Friday. Time to get up. It's time to get up, y'all. I know, look, I struggled to get up this morning myself. If you can't tell. Um, I feel like I'm not half asleep, but like a quarter asleep. But no worries. I got me some tea. Bring some warmth to me this morning. See if I can wake myself up. But yeah, it's Friday. Let's do what we do. Yesterday we had a great comeback after stream. Had some great trade setups. I'll show you that in a second. But first, let me get a 111 in the chat so we can do our daily affirmation. Go ahead and give me a 111 in the chat. Let's see what we got for you this morning. Today is February 21st. The moment you truly believe in new possibility, your mind starts working to make it real. Your thoughts are not just thoughts. They are blueprints for your future. I'm trying to tell y'all, I'm giving y'all the sauce, the things that help me change my life. That is absolutely true. Whatever you think about yourself is what you're creating. If you think I'm stuck in this place, then you will be stuck in that place next month, next year, next 10 years. But if you think, oh, bad things always happen to me, well, okay, you're going to be stuck in that thought process, right? You got to curve your thinking. Got to curve it, okay? And don't forget to check us out on Facebook here. We are growing. So go ahead and click that link. It should be in the chat throughout the stream. Nightbot does post the link for you. Or you can always click the description of the live stream and you can see that link, okay? Now, yesterday we had a few small L's on stream. I did post that on Twitter. And I'm sorry, it's called X now, right? Excuse me, I posted that on X. But after stream, there were some really good setups. I got a candle flip set up here on NASDAQ. You can see my stop start break even throughout this screenshot. Currently up $205, going for 800. Did not get the 800. It got pretty chopped. Gave it a second try. As you can see, it came back down, right? It came back down. Gave it another go. Saw a nice setup there. Stop start break even up 235 at the point of the screenshot. Going for it again. Didn't get the full thing. But you can see TP1 was smacked. We did get up to TP2. So again, had some really nice setups later on in the afternoon. Made back those small L's from stream. Okay. So that was yesterday. And, to segue into our charts today, that's just something to think about, right? Sometimes Power Hour gives great setups. And someone asked yesterday, I think it was Leslie. Leslie asked yesterday, Linz, what is Power Hour? Power Hour is between 2 and 3 p.m. New York time. Okay, 2 and 3 p.m. New York time. It's just a nickname. It's just one of those trading terminologies where it has like a cool little nickname to it. Okay. Let's see who we got here in the chat. Good morning to you, Raynar. Welcome to the official fam. Welcome. Jess, Ashton, V Chrome, Javon. Who else we got? Mr. Dialio, William, Jelani, Jess, Paul, V Chrome, Terrence, William. What's up? Great morning to you. Javon says, I pray everyone has a good day spiritually and financially. I love that, Javon. Thank you so much. Ashton, did I meet you, Ashton? Good morning to you. All right, let's take a look at gold this morning. We are about 15 minutes away from that 9 o'clock candle. So we're going to be taking a look here at gold. Looks a little chopped on the, oh, that was on the 5 minute. Never mind. I thought that was that the 15 minute? I think it was the 15 minute. Alrighty here, taking a look at the weekly. Overall this week, we've been bullish, right? By the way, chat, if the music's too loud, let me know. Good morning from Toronto. What's up, Blue Style? I love that you're from Toronto. That is very far. 250 points is very, very far. This is just tragic, these levels. I'm not going to put too many of them up here because then it's just going to be chaotic. But I will pick and choose. Okay, so check this out. Yesterday we talked a little bit about when price was coming down. How it looked like price was coming down to fill out this area, but we didn't do it over here. We didn't complete it over here. So are we gonna complete that today, or are we just bouncing up, right? Jeez. Current 4 hours got a top wick on it though, I know that. Not the greatest of setups here. Not really a fan of this, but I'm gonna add some zones here to bring some clarity. A little bit higher than that. What's up, A7? Good morning to you. I see Dave said A7. Yeah, okay, there you go. I see A7's name now. Alright, we got our zones up here for the day. I just want to make them for the day so we don't have to get back on this screen and do it again. You can see here on the hourly that we are stuck inside of this range here, so that's no fun. No fun at all. Definitely going to be quite the patience type of day. Jeez. And when I bring it down to 30 minutes, you can see the range is actually between here and here, right? So we'll see what happens. Like I said, we got 9 o'clock coming up very, very soon, about 11 minutes. 11 minutes. So we will take our time. I'm just scoping it out on different time frames here. All right, let's take a look at it with the VWAP on now. Okay, so see how price is, zoom in a little bit for you. See how over here we closed below the VWAP, right? We come up here, we retest it, right? So I can't really believe in buys until prices, you know, above this area. You know, as long as we're below that area, then I'm going to be looking for sell-offs. Okay. So tough spot to be in. Again, you can see it here in the hourly. We haven't been able to push back through that area. And you know what that means? That means that sellers are winning the fight, right? So remember, think of it as a fight, like a boxing match between buyers and sellers, okay? Because when you trade, you're going with momentum. Momentum is whoever won. Sellers are winning right now. Okay, the buyers are trying to fight it. But, you know, the VWAP is showing you the volume, right? And it's showing us, hey, buyers haven't won yet. So we're going to be watching this very, very closely. If you look at this on the 15 minute, you can see we closed above it on the 15 minute. Little fakey to the top side, came right back down. That's unfortunate. Here we go again on the 15 minute, closing above it. Little fakey to the top side, it comes right back down, right? So don't really want to be liable on a 15 minute closure above this area. You know, same thing with the 30 minute. The 30 minute closed above, came straight back down. You see what I mean? Same thing with right here. So lots of fake outs that the market makers are giving today. So to me, it'd be better if this hourly candle closed above, but the hourly candle's got about 9 minutes to it. I mean, it is 11 points away. It could close above. We'll see. But that's what I'm going to be looking at right now. Where does this hourly candle close? Okay, so that's me explaining thought process to you. Hey, I see. Happy Friday to you. Jelani with the fire in the chat. What's up, Jelani? All right, let's anchor. Anchor 8 o'clock. That's not my anchor. Where's the anchor at? Okay, there we go. All right, anchored 8 o'clock. All right, y'all. We are gonna watch this on the 1 minute. And we're gonna wait for this hourly closure. We got about 8 minutes till the hourly candle closes. Oh, look at gold pushing up in that level. Good, Lens, how are you? I'm doing great. Doing great. Excited to trade today. Hi, Amanda. Good morning. Oh. Sorry, chat. What? You busting up in here? Like you SWAT team? I thought I had the door closed. My dogs are funny. So chat, do me a favor real quick. If you go... Well, actually, I'm gonna send you the link. I'm gonna send you the link, so you don't have to do nothing. Just click on the link, and then you can come back to where we are here. Okay, I'm gonna put this link in the chat. Got an emergency meeting post. Okay, so I'm gonna need y'all to show some engagement to this post so we can push it out over the weekend. Let's get this post popping. If you click on that link, you will be brought here, and we have a post. We kind of talked about this week, so I decided to post it, let it linger out over the weekend. Okay, it says unpopular opinion: if an influencer can't trade live in real time and execute, they're a fraud. Live executions in real time separate the real from the fake. What do you think? And that's 100% true. And you know, they get up here with their BS, and now I see some of them trying to get up here on TradingView because they see they're getting called out. I saw one last night, one of the top tier scammers in Forex, get up here last night and draw some trend lines on TradingView and try to put a position on something that was already breaking out. Not a position, I'm sorry, this don't count. Seeing a breakout already happening and then doing this and saying, yeah, chat, I was doing this, and then saying, yeah, chat, I was already in this, yeah. I called this right before stream, yeah. No, that don't count. Sorry, that don't count. Nope. And on top of that, the execution counts as we need to see money flowing. Whether you're doing it on a prop firm or you're doing it on a live account, either way, prop firm or live account, we need to see some money flowing. Because this don't count. Doing this don't count. There's a reason why, chat. There's a reason why. So yeah, go check out that post. It'll be there. Alrighty, we got about 5 minutes, y'all. 5 minutes. We're rocking and we're rolling here. Just being nice and patient here with you. Waiting on that closure. Let's see where this hourly candle closes. Will we close above this VWAP here? Look at it now. Look at it now. So like I said, unless we close above here in the hourly, I won't be looking for buys unless this closes above. So I'll keep it on this time frame. We got about 4 minutes and 24 seconds to go. Dave, what's up, Dave? Good morning to you. You know, Lindsay, I've never seen you without your glasses. He says that's true. Showing your whole screen like you do brings immense value. Hi, Dina. Good morning to you. I'll close my door back, chat, because the dog's gonna bust in here again. Mal, it's Mal. Welcome back to the chat, Mal. Good morning to you. I hope you're having a great day. It's me. How you doing? Yeah, those of you just joining us, we're just waiting for this hourly candle to close. We're waiting to see if this closes above the VWAP here. And we got about 3 minutes to go. Good old 3 minutes. So while we're waiting on that, where's my other screen? Where's my other screen? While we're waiting on that, I got something for you to take a look at. So here's a trader here who is up $6 million day trading, like stocks and stuff like that, and futures, different things, a mixture of things. But they have a thread here of their journey to getting 6 million. So I'm gonna read their thread here on advice. Okay, they've been trading for 13 years. It took them 13 years to make $6 million. So here's their advice. Number 1, stop using complexity. Use simplicity. Too many indicators, too many strategies, too many public opinions create too much noise for your learning and trading. We talk about that all the time, chat, right? We talk about that all the time. Too many opinions is a great one, right? Everyone has the greatest strategy in the world. People go to people's live streams and act like they're the greatest trader on earth. And the truth of the matter is nobody opinion really matters. Just work on your strategy, you know, and keep it simple. We say that all the time. Keep it simple. Number 2, instead of random trading, make sure your trading is rule-based execution. Break-even traders are at break-even because they act on impulse. Consistently profitable traders follow a structured, repeatable system. Very true. So if you are stuck at break-even, it's time to really reflect. This is why you have a journal. And I see a lot of people on Twitter right now making fun of journals and all this other crap. Listen, journals is for people who are not consistent yet. Okay, when you're not consistent, you need to journal, because there's no way you're going to remember the data of every single trade you take, so that you can look at the data and see what you're doing wrong, see what you need to change, see what you need to keep doing. That's the point of it, right? Now, when you skip that part and you get into being profitable and consistent, yeah, you probably slow down on the journaling, to be fair. But when you find yourself getting back into a rut, usually you start journaling again, right? To see, okay, what am I, where's my fix at? You know what I mean? You start from the beginning. So with that said, rule-based execution is a really great way to say it. You know, most time when I look at people's journals, they're entering trades all types of different ways. So again, make sure you stick to the same type of entries. Let's see, we got 20 seconds. Okay, number 3, he says, instead of being outcome focused, be process focused. Stop observing other people's wins and losses. Stop observing how much money other people are making. Stop concentrating on you want to make this much money, and just focus on the process, focus on the skill. We say that all the time, right? We say that all the time. Now we're going to take a pause on this conversation here because the hourly candle did close. Let's check it out. So we did close below the VWAP and it closed as a doji. That's cute. That's nice. Very nice, gold. Very, very nice. Thank you for giving us that Christmas gift where you just close as a doji, right? All right. Well, with that said, it would be impulsive to take a buy based off of this hourly. So let's check it out on some other time frames here. Let's check this out on the 30-minute. Let's check this out on the 15-minute. We're still kind of in that range, sort of. It does kind of give 3-bar reversal vibes here, but let's check it out in the 5-minute. I mean, we keep creating these lower highs, right? Everybody see that? We keep creating these lower highs. That's one detail we can definitely point out. Now, as far as the range that this is in, it kind of looks like the range is kind of like this, right? And it's definitely valid because remember, what do you need to validate support and resistance? You need 3 touches minimum. So we got 3 touches. We got 3 touches, right? So definitely the range here. So kind of looking at this in the sense of waiting for price to break out of this range that it's forming. And I'm drawing it this way so you can really see it. Here we go, we're above the VWAP. So yeah, try to look at it that way, right? Waiting for price to break out of this funky little range. That's all we can really do. And I'm going to change the color a little bit. It's a little too much for me. Kind of light, nice and light. There we go. Tech Vibe, good morning to you. Highlands, do you count news in your trading like the fundamentals that moves the markets? Yes, that's a great question. So for those who are new to trading or for those who don't know, when it comes to news, they know what's going to happen before it drops. So when it comes to your technical analysis, like looking at these candlesticks formations, they set the chart up before the news drops. So it's very technical. Now, as far as the news goes, yes, unusual volume comes in when news drops, right? So it is good to be aware of how does this news react? How does that news react? You know what I mean? Like there's a difference between unemployment claims and NFP, right? There's a difference between unemployment claims news and FOMC news, right? So just getting familiar with, the different ways it reacts will help you out. Other than that, this is set up before it happens every time. So, if you see your strategy set up, hey, do your thing. 13 years to make 6 million is 461K per average. That's awesome. Oh, well, 13 years of him trading. So actually, the 6 million was done a lot quicker than that, right? 13 years of learning, right? So you got to remember when someone tells you how long they've been trading, I mean, the first 3 to 4 years is really learning. And you may have some luck of getting some good money, but the truth is your first 3 years of trading, there's a lot of learning and lessons to be made. Once you get into your 4th, 5th year, you're usually trading pretty consistently. After that, it's iron out those kinks to how do you get to the next level. You know what I mean? Please be mindful of 4-hour zone below on gold for sells. Thank you, Jay. Jose, good morning to you. Hey. So look at it now, right? So we were going bullish. Now we're going bearish, right? But we're on the 3-minute time frame. But yeah, right now gold is trying to trip people out. Really trying to trip people out. This song is vibey, right? Is it just me? That song is pretty vibey. So remember, this is the new 1-hour candle. 8 o'clock did not close above the VWAP, so a little hesitant about that. Other than that, we're most likely just waiting for price to get out of this range before we take any type of setup here on gold. I want to make this range as tight as possible. And it looks like I did. Yeah, I mean, it looks like a tight range on the 30-minute. Yeah, we want this range as tight as possible. One minute may be too much. I was watching on the 3-minute. I'll do a NAS analysis in another 10 minutes or so. 10 minutes or less. I was just watching chat. Let me know in the chat. What do you got planned over the weekend? Let me know in the chat. And I'm going to go back to reading this article, the guy who made 6 million. Just giving some insights. Okay, let's see. We did number 3. Okay, we're on number 4. Okay, so he said, you have to go from trading for excitement to trading for consistency. People trade so that they can get excited about big payouts. People trade so they can get excited to show off how much money they made to others. But if you're focused on your consistency and you stick to constant action, then you can get there. That's true. Like I tell you all the time, people get so caught up in looking at people getting payouts all the time and looking at influencers who show off all this money but have no type of trading skill to actually show. People get so caught up in money, chat, and this is the problem. Okay, yes, it's okay to be obsessed with, you want to change your life, you want money. That's good. Be obsessed with your goals. However, you have to be able to dissect the difference between being obsessed with someone else's success and being focused on yourself, because sometimes you get so obsessed with watching the movie episodes of these influencers that you're spending all that wasted time watching their stuff when you could be focused on yourself. Spend all this wasted time being entertained by toxic people on the internet. You could just be focusing on yourself. Chat, you will be so surprised when you change your energy to focusing on just you, how quickly you reach your goals. And that's the same thing with being focused on what other people got going on. Who cares? Someone says something negative to you, it's a reflection of how they feel about themselves. You realize that, right? They're not happy. People who are happy don't say mean things to other people. People who are happy don't just go projecting to other people, right? So instead of being worried about your coworker, instead of being worried about your ex-friend, instead of being worried about all those other things, you got to alchemize that energy. Take that worry energy and focus on what you want. Get what I'm saying? All right, number 5 says over trading versus selective trading. Less is more. That was straight to the point, right? That was straight to the point. Less is more. All right. I like that one. Yeah, I mean, that speaks for itself. And the way to easily cure your over trading, y'all, is to have a daily loss limit. I tell you this all the time. Have a daily loss limit, okay? If your daily loss limit is, I don't know, $400, then if you're down $400, you're done. You're cut. That's it. Bye. Turn off the computer, toss the phone, wait till tomorrow. That's your daily loss limit. Now, if you're down $200 and your daily loss limit is $400, well, okay, you still got some more trades in you, whether you want to risk lower or whatever. You know what I mean? You still got some trades in you. You see what I'm saying? So you should be able to keep trading as long as you're not hitting your daily loss limit. Now, the opposite, having a goal. Have a simplistic goal. Have a goal that you know you can hit every day. It's not about getting a couple $1,000s a day. You realize that with Apex, you can have 20 accounts. Speaking of Nightbot, that sale for Apex is extended, y'all. For those of you who missed it yesterday, it's still on. If you check it out in the chat, you'll see Nightbot there with the link for the sale. But anyway, if you can have 20 accounts, then you can 20 times anything you make. Do you know the power of 20x whatever you make? That is insane, right? Think about that. So you going for $200 a day is really a $4,000 a day if you have 20 accounts. $4,000 a day, because you know that you can make your 200 a day. It's about consistency. It's so simple. I promise you, it's so simple. You're just overthinking it. You're overthinking it. Keep it simple. Once you learn how to consistently do something, you can get extremely far. Promise you, extremely far. Okay, let's see. Number six. He's got 9 tips here. Number 6. People calculate small wins and they calculate huge losses. Try to have more controlled losses. Very true, right? You see us here on stream. We have small losses. You don't see us losing like 800 or 600 in one trade. And yeah, that's why I'm not on NQ. I mean, I could get on GC because, yeah. But on NQ, one contract's $20 a point. So when I'm risking 30 points, 30 points may not be that much, but that's $600. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, I'm only allowed so much of a cushion here. You know what I mean? So I'm not going to risk 600 per trade. You lose 2 trades, you're down 1,200. You're 30% into the overall drawdown, and you only got, 70% left out of 2 trades? You know what I mean? So, yeah, that's why you don't see me on NQ. Not on NQ because it's $20. But what I will do is half of that, like, I'll still risk a little high. Like, half of, if we cut $20 in half, it'd be what, $10? I'm cool with $10. You know? I'm cool with the $10 risk. But you can't cut it in half, so you gotta go down to micro, so you know. You get what I'm saying? So, risk is a thing. Now if we weren't, if we didn't have these strict rules of 3%, well, hey, it wouldn't be that bad, right? What's up, Neeks? Good morning to you. Johnny, have a good day. Real knowledge, good day to you. This week, every time I slept in or laid down for a few minutes, I missed my setup. Every time I had the energy to be up, my setup didn't play out. But okay, no FOMO Mondays next week. Yeah. I mean, you said it right there. Every time you have the energy to get up, right? So successful people, when you don't have the energy, you get up anyway, right? There's a quote that says, if you always did what you wanted to do, you'll never be successful. And that's the reflection. That's the difference between those who have success and those who don't. Because those who don't always do what they want to do, right? Same thing when you go to the gym. You're never going to see results because, first of all, most of the results in the gym is your diet, okay? 80% is your diet. 70% is your diet. The rest of it is consistently just going to the gym, okay? So, with that said, can you imagine if we only went to the gym when we felt like it? Are you kidding? We'd barely go, okay? Most times, like there's times you get up and you're like, oh, I'm ready to go to the gym. Excited to go to the gym. And then there's times where it's like, I don't want to go. I don't feel like going. The last thing I want to do is go. You know what I mean? But it's not about what you want. It's about discipline. And that's why old school employers like people who go to the gym, because they know people who go to the gym are disciplined. They like people who've been in the military. You know why? Because they're disciplined, because they already have the mindset that it's not what they want all the time. It's what has to be done. You ever notice that? So in case you ever see someone in the military or someone who goes to the gym got hired over you, well, it just shows in their qualities. That's all. You get what I'm saying? And it's not easy, chat. Discipline is, if discipline was easy, we'd all be disciplined immediately, right? It is not easy, okay? It's probably one of the hardest things to do, right? It's hard to be disciplined. But just understand that that's what you have to do when you want results in something, you know? So we are watching gold break out of this range here, but, you know, don't forget, we did already get up towards this price point over here. So we're going to be taking a look at this on a higher time frame. And also with this breakout, what we would want to see is, we'd want to see price come down and create a support on top of this, right? And then go. That's what we would want to see. Okay. Because we didn't do that here. We broke out of here and we came straight down. What about over here? We broke out of here, we came straight down. Now, what did they do over here? Now, the market makers are being slick, right? They spiked out of here and acted like they were creating a support and then came down. But the difference here, no reason to get faked out here. You know why? Because this never broke these highs, right? You want price to break these highs as it's doing right now, and then wait for support, because now it's just already going. That's the thing. When it's breaking the highs, it's already going. So you just gotta wait. Tony, what's up, Tony? Appreciate your positive vibes this week. Was a blessing. Thank you, Tony. You know, I know someone out there needs to hear the message, right? Somebody out there. Hi, Moses. Good morning to you. Just my style. Good morning to you. Successful people do what unsuccessful people won't. I like that. I love that quote. Absolutely. Absolutely. Chad, I'm trying to tell you, Chad, change your diet. You know, make sure you're eating a balanced diet. Start eating a balanced diet. Stick to your workout schedule. Mental health. There's so many. You know what? I'm gonna give you one of my favorite podcasts on YouTube. He's great. He really is great. And on top of that, he's manifested his way to success. He's manifested himself into millions, and he gives great advice. He has the best guests on to give you advice. Spiritually, mentally, financially, all the above. All the above. These are people who've been in your shoes, who've done it, and who are just simply just helping you with your mindset. It's really good. Let's see if I can pull it up here for you. Because the one I watched yesterday was really good. Try to get the one I watched yesterday. So we are watching gold here, chat. I know that we got 10 minutes till 9:30. Well aware. I'm gonna do 9:30 in like 2 seconds here. How come I can't type YouTube? Alright, his name is Lewis Holmes, chat. His name is Lewis Holmes.
That we're
He has 4 million subscribers for a reason. Yes, he's also an author. But like when I tell you he's someone who's been in your shoes, he's been in your shoes. So again, he's a great spiritual leader. He's someone who simply just learned from others. Just like you're learning right here. He's just literally someone who learned from others, right? And it's just proof, if you will. I mean, look at these 11 million, 6 million, 6 million. Like, he really changes a lot of people's life, and his guests do too. So if you want to check out Lewis Holmes, I'm gonna put that in here, because a few of you usually message me and say, Linz, what podcast do you listen to? I listen to him. So I just put the link there in the chat. Life changing. When I tell you life changing, I mean life changing. So go ahead and check them out, and then click on videos, and then scroll through and see what video, read the titles and see which ones you want to check out. Getting Rich is Easy, Why You're Not Charming, How to Manifest the Life You Want in 9 Days. All these things, how to heal yourself. I'm telling you, chat. Boom. Boom, 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 right there. Good morning, King. Risk management is a game changer. Hi, Clifford. Good morning to you. So yeah, chat, it is Friday, so you got the whole weekend to check out some of those videos. The whole weekend. All right, let's check out Nas here. Is he on Spotify? You know what? I never listened to him on Spotify, but he may be. He may be on Spotify. Or he may be on, what we call Apple. He may be on the podcast thing too for there. All right, Nas. Nas is annoyingly in this spot again. How much time I got? 8 minutes. Got plenty of time. 8 minutes. I zoom in. I knew that line was off. Oh my goodness. It's 200 points away. Okay, that is. It's not too bad. 90 points away. Okay, we're gonna keep this like this. Let's go down to the daily. Yeah, I mean, NASA's been in this consolidation mess for a little while now. It's a bit annoying. These dojis on the daily, right? Not the easiest of spots here. Let's take a look at it in the 4 hour. Well, we were in this range yesterday that we talked about, right? Drove down, came right back up into this range. Almost looks like this was the fake out to now get the breakout, right? Almost kind of giving that type of vibe here, but we are at the top of the range here on the 4 hour chart. So try to keep that in mind. See if I can draw it again. Just want to draw this tight range here. If we draw it like that, then we're kind of on top of it already. So possibility that NAS may want to retest the top of this range and then maybe continue breaking up here. Could definitely be a possibility today. Let's check it out here. Let's extend these lines. You see what I mean? See how we came out of this range, came right back into it, drove back up. Now we're kind of on top of it, so it is going to be interesting to see. Let's try to make this range as tight as possible. It'll be interesting to see where we go here. So we're going to keep that visual up there so you can see it. We got about 6 minutes. I'll redraw it because I want to put in some zones in here. It's a little thick, just a little bit. A little bit less thick. Okay. All right, so we have that area. That area. Not too bad as far as strong zones go. Once you get a few placed up here. Put a tight range here though. Trying to make these zones nice and tight. Alrighty, there we go. Just seeing if I want to bring this one down a little bit. Alright, these look pretty good. These look pretty good. So we have a good grasp of where NASA is here. It's just going to be determining direction, right? I'm just checking out these zones here. And of course, we're in a rangy area. If you check out this ranges in here, where's NASA at now? In that rangy area, right? It's got to be, of course. Of course. Where else would they put it before 9:30? All right, let's go back to drawing. Let me draw down to 1 hour. We will let me see it on the 4 hour again. Oh no. We're gonna draw it a little tighter. Just a little tighter. Okay. That looks a little better. Hi, Jelani. Jelani's headed out. Appreciate you coming through. Esther, good morning to you. Forex Entrepreneur, good morning to you. Alrighty. 2 minutes to go here. Just recognizing this trend that NASA's in here. Just drawing it so that you can see it visually. We're above the VWAP. And currently coming straight down to it. Straight down to it. About 1 minute and 20 seconds till 9:30. I'm gonna keep that like this. So it looks like, look at this hourly candle here on gold. 30-minute candle closes in 48 seconds. It's going to be very interesting. Chat, let me know in the chat if you took any trades today yet. I'm curious, did you take any trades today? Do you have a monthly fee with Topstep, or is it just a Canadian thing? The monthly fee with Topstep, you pay until you pass. So once you pass and you get the Funded Express account, which you can see right here, this is the Express account, then you don't pay monthly anymore. However, when they move you over to a live account, you do have to pay data fees. But that's, that's for the discussion. Paul, what's up, Paul? Good morning. Any journaling videos or templates you can share? I have a very old live stream that is our highest viewed live stream to this day that was about journaling. We're literally live like this, and after stream, someone asked, and we did it, and it got 85,000 views. That was back when we were popping. I have that video, but I feel like that video is kind of outdated, huh? Let me see. I can pull that up for you. Took one trade. You passed your evaluation. Nice. Congrats. That's a great feeling. Great feeling. Coming back down in this range. Congrats on that. It's got to be a great feeling. It's a great way to end off the Friday. You passed? What? Okay, I didn't realize how hard it was going to be for me to find that video for you of the journal. You know why? I have over 1,000. Oh, I'll show you in a second. I literally have over 1,000 live streams that are hidden. Those of you who are OGs on this channel, y'all know I done traded in front of you over 1,000 times. Isn't that freaking crazy? Over 1,000 times? Like, are we being serious? Yeah, it's gonna take me some time to find it. But I do have a free journal for you, Paul, if you become a member. I do have a journal that you can, for all the members. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's gonna take me 10 years to find. Look at this chat. Look at these old videos. Look down here. I'm on page 600 out of 1,062. 19,000 views, 21,000 views, 82,000 views. Okay, that was the one. 13,000 views, 16,000 views, 2,000 likes, 700 likes. Remember these old live streams? Some of you remember these thumbnails. Okay, let's take a look back at the charts. You were always here Monday through Friday. Yup. I was always here. Let's see. Vikram, you remember? So gold came back down towards the top of this range here. But it's selling off here though. We're having the sell-off moment. Fake out to the top side again, huh? This is why we're waiting. My goodness. And keep this on the 3-minute right now. Let's check out NAS. NAS is on that VWAP. $37 points on a 3-minute is insane. Come on. 37 points. You remember the magic keys and the red gaming chair? Yeah. I used to give away those magic keys too. I used to buy them for some of y'all. I got my charts on the other screen too, chat, so I'm staring at the charts. Take away that and add. We don't have levels below this level. Look at this 4-hour candle. Don't need that anymore. So I'm just clearing off the chart just a little bit. Things we don't necessarily need currently, or may not even need for the rest of the stream. Wow, looks like a 3-bar reversal on the 1 hour. Jeez. Jackson, what's up, Jackson? Good morning to you. I remember the best OB strategy vid. You said it was goated. Oh yeah. That video got like 300,000 views. Yep. The giveaways, damn, you've done a lot for the community. Thank you, Dave. I appreciate you. Yeah, we did a lot of giveaways. Gave away a lot of cash and items. Bought magic keys and Forex brokers, kicked out US clients, killed MT4, right? Yeah, I feel you on that because I had the digital version that I bought and I had the regular version. So annoying. Can't even use them now. All right, back down to the bottom of the range here on NAS. Okay. Feeling kind of cold in here, chat. Okay, feeling cold. Why am I feeling cold? Just gonna let 9:30 do its thing here. We got about 5 minutes to go. Same thing with gold. I mean, gold just had a big sell-off here, so can't really make a move on it currently. That's okay. Remember, Linz was on Nick A1 Trading. Oh, yeah. Y'all realize I was up there for a whole year? For a year straight, I went up there once a week. Never got paid, and people and clowns, literally idiot, broke clowns in the chat were talking about, get her off of here. Why is she on here? She doesn't even trade. How the fuck am I up there every single week all year not getting paid if I don't trade? Wouldn't I need to be getting paid? Number one. Number two, I'm helping you for free. It's not even my channel. Dummies. Brainless dummies. It's not even my channel. And I'm giving you a free strategy. We're doing free strategies for those who don't know back then. Teaching everything for free. But chat, it just goes to show that, for one, when it comes to the internet, never feel like you have to tell people everything you got. It's just like people think they could come up here and count my coin. You think that $5,000 account is my actual main live account? You gotta be just dumb as rocks. You think I let you count my coin? It is really, really out of this world. People think that what you show them is exactly what you got, And the thing is the reason why you don't show everything you got, or even remotely close to it, is because it doesn't matter, right? We used to have thousands of viewers on this channel. We used to have 20K, 30K views on our live stream. Those people can go away like nothing, which means what's the point in satisfying people and showing them certain things, right? There's no point in showing people all your cars. They just want the satisfaction to see what you got. They just want to know because they're nosy, right? Then you have fans who just genuinely want to know. You have people who like you who just genuinely want to know. But, most people who want to know, they just want to know. And once they know, that's not going to keep them around. Shout out to Dr. Dollar. My guy, Dr. Dollar here. He showed y'all he finally showed y'all the Corvette. Finally showed y'all. He shows you withdrawals. He shows you live trading. He shows you everything. And that did not help views at all, right? It temporarily helped because people want to know what he had. But after that, they're like, okay, yeah, cool, whatever. You see what I'm saying, chat? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Let's pull up Dollar here so y'all know who I'm talking about. Shout out to Dollar, though. Shout out to Dollar. I know Dollar gives us shout outs on his live stream. It doesn't help the views. I mean, people could see proof, all the proof in the world of how much you made, and he's shown his bank account before. He showed a lot of things. He's shown how much he's made. He showed his bank account. He showed his statements. He showed the Corvette. He showed everything, and he comes up here and he trades live, and it still doesn't help with views, right? So people are just naysayers, right? People are just naysayers. You get what I'm saying, chat? Yeah, we gotta give Dollar a shout out because we always get a shout out, right? I guess they think you pay your bills with paper money. Imagine. Yeah, with Monopoly money. Pay it with Monopoly money. And to add to that, when you see somebody have a red month or a couple red months, and you sit there and your brain concludes to yourself, well, how are you profitable? All you do is lose. Hold on. Because that sounds like kids, right? It sounds like I'm in front of a whole group of kids that I'm babysitting, right? And they're all like, that's what it sounds like. But the thing is how are you going to become full-time if 3 red months puts you backwards? That's what you need to ask yourself. So for those who say that, how are you going to be full-time if 3 red months makes you homeless? Then that means you were not ready to go full-time. You get what I'm saying? As an entrepreneur, as a business owner, etc., 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 the goal is to define yourself in a way where you don't have to go back to where you were, right? So within that, that's why we talk about establishing multiple incomes. We talk about saving money, all the above, right? That's why. You don't hear people talking about multiple incomes because they're just chatting. It's because you need to do that, right? It's to maintain your lifestyle, right? You got to maintain your lifestyle. You know what I mean, chat? You know what I'm saying? Okay, this candle came in hot. This new 15-minute candle, it came in hot. 38 points off the rip. And that's the first 1 minute. Yeah, that's the first 1 minute of this new candle. Holy. What? Now, yeah, I was gonna say now looks like we may launch now. So remember we talked about this. We talked about this before it happened. We talked about price closing above these highs, coming back to retest and going, right? This just happened so quickly. But if you go back to my analysis, the beginning of this stream, we literally talked this whole thing out, didn't we? Real knowledge, hey Lens, I was driving. I remember the OG official fam days. It was a great community that encouraged each other. Ditto to the Magic Keys giveaways, fans gifting memberships. Not to mention Open Mic Friday. Oh yeah, we had Open Mic Friday. We may have to bring that back, huh? For those who weren't here for that Open Mic Friday, those of you here in the chat chatting with us would come on Discord and you would chat with me on stream, and the stream can hear you. And people always enjoyed those interactions. That was always fun. Their favorite basketball, football player doesn't win every game, so why do they expect traders to win every trade? Ooh, player coming through with the analogies. That is a really, really great analogy. That's a great analogy. I like that one. News at 45. So if it was news, right, then combining technicalities, you see how we were able to tell you where the news was going to go before it happened? Told you to wait for this to close above these highs, right? Wait for the retest, and then it'll probably go. Now, in hindsight, forgot there was news at 45. But if you combine your knowledge with there's news, then perhaps if you think it's going to launch now, you'd put a buy stop here, right? Not a buy stop because you're like, oh my God, there's news. Let me guess what's going to happen. No, buy stop because you did your technical analysis and the next move makes sense, right? Get what I'm saying, chat? Does that make sense? Does that make sense how you combine news and technicalities? Let me see. What did we miss? What did we miss this morning? Flash. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, flash news usually comes in pretty quick. And we got existing home sales too. That's gonna be coming up next. Although trollers try to bust up the party, your positivity and wisdom for trading and life continue to highlight my day. Don't stop being you. Stickers. Thank you, real knowledge. I wish we could heart the messages up here. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see. What can we do here, chat? What can we do here? Would have been a impulsive buy here. Well, even your buy would have got pushed up like 40 points in, right? That would probably mess up your risk anyway. Jeez. Guess we gotta wait. I'm gonna take away this range now because well, I'll keep it. I'll keep it for a little bit. We'll keep the range for a little bit. Tough. The call was wasn't tough to make, but execution wise on this was definitely tough. I just wanted to see that 30-minute candle again, back down to being bearish. Bipolar candles, huh? How do we want to look at this? Yeah, all that extraness to fall back another 56 points. My goodness. My. Scary. So we're in watch mode, chat. We are in a watch mode here. Sometimes trading goes like that, right? It's not no pitch perfect day, but that's what keeps this interesting, because trading can get very boring. And if we were able to come up here and just get the same boring pattern every day, it'd become very boring, you know? I think what's fun about it is you never know how long you have to wait to get into a setup, eh? NAS had a little bit of a retest here, yeah, in the 1 minute. A bit of a pullback here. 3-bar reversal there. $49 points. Wow, these 1 minute candles are, I mean, I expect that on NAS, if anything. But even on gold, they're moving. They are moving this thing. I kind of feel like well, if we continue down, we may get to that point here. Let me see on 4 hour though. Oh, wait. I like this zone here that we have here in the 4 hour. So I'll let it be. We shall let it be. But let me fix that. All right, let's talk about that opening range here on NAS. The first 15-minute opening range is right here. About 90 points of a range. We take the 30-minute opening range, we gotta wait for this candle to close, but right now it's looking like this. All right, so we're still within that opening range currently. So again, party's just getting started here on NAS. We are chilling and just waiting. I'm gonna keep it on the 5-minute here, and we got about 6 minutes till 10 o'clock. We do have some news coming in at 10. A7 just listed my first item for sale. Good day for me. Nice, A7. Let's go. That's a good feeling. Listing your first item for sale, right? That'd be a great feeling. Okay, let's come back over here to gold. Let's check out gold. 30-minute candle's going to close in about 4 minutes as well. Now my thing with gold is, you know, we're above the VWAP, we're above that 8 o'clock open here. You know, if it wants to continue traveling up for the day, it certainly can. Do have like a pivot point up here at 29.56, about 88 points away towards that pivot point there. So if we do continue traveling up, I'll be looking towards that area. And right now we're kind of still in watch mode here. Gonna let this 30-minute candle close. We got about 3 minutes. Know what that means, chat? We gotta play us some chess. No, I'm sorry, chat. I'm trying to make my screen bigger. Ooh, decisions now. This is a tricky spot. This is a very, very tricky spot. Ooh, I just folded the game there. Forgot about that piece. Wow, one on time. Why is this so small? Make this a little bigger. Oh my goodness, chat. That's too big. Okay, let's see. We got 44 seconds on the clock. 44 seconds.
I'm not in a mood, cause my flight delayed. So I jumped on a private jet and I'm asking a pilot the ETA.
Paul, welcome to the official fam, Paul. Appreciate you. Welcome in. By the way, chat, it is the end of the week and we hit our goal of 140. Thank you, Paul. We're at 142. Paul, if you go to the Discord, when you join the Discord, when you go to the Discord and you scroll down to scroll down to journal template. It'll be right here for you. You can click and download that journal. All right, let's check out gold here. I'm thinking possible buys on gold. Yeah, I like this. I like this on the 1 minute. I like that liquidity grab there. Be a candle flip on the 30-minute if it breaks this area. 34 points, jeez. So just waiting. I'd like to see some type of engulfing or something to show us that we're, you know. So again, new 30-minute candle, y'all. New 30-minute. I'm gonna watch this on the 1 minute time frame here. This is why I don't just base things off of the 1 minute, because although this was a green candle and it took out that low, right? And it started to spike up, look what happens next, right? 1 minute is not as reliable as other time frames, so I'd rather see an engulfing candle, you know what I mean? I'd rather see things like that, or make any decision here. And as far as NAS goes, forgot to anchor 930. Other than that, in watch mode here on NAS. I chose the wrong thing there. Watch mode. Nothing to it right now. We're chilling. Just watching this. It's getting very chopped, right? It's getting very, very chopped. So there's nothing wrong with waiting and watching. Okay? Remember, most of the trading, you're waiting for a setup here. Don't want to rush the process. All right, we are on that, back on top of that trend line here. We don't really need the trend line anymore. That was for me to show you that example, but we're on that 45 level. I am thinking if this 15-minute candle flips up bullish, jeez, 42 points. Killing me, you're killing me, 42 points. Which would be the 30-minute flipping up. We'll see. I just want to see what that looks like on a smaller time frame. I wonder if we can get a smaller stop loss than that, though. Oh, Paul, while we're waiting, I meant to show you that journal. Okay, 15 minutes, about to flip up bullish here. So with a 30-minute. Yeah, chat, we're gonna take a buy on that. Stop loss will be below the 15-minute. Well, 30-minute, 15-minute, I guess depends how you look at it, right? If you're looking at it on the 30-minute, looking for this 30-minute candle to flip up bullish, which should be the hourly candle flipping up bullish from that bottom wick there. Slightly higher risk here, 285, but it's because the risk is literally 47 points. My goodness. But looking for that to be that bottom wick retest in there to continue pushing up. I do have a pivot level up here at 29.56, which is 85 points away. But we're definitely gonna have some let me see. Excuse me, chat. Here sneezing. I mean, we may be able to get up to here. Trying to see what's the potential in this. I'd say that's the highest potential. I'd say the highest potential is 160, but I mean the range we were given today, my goodness. What are we up here at the 50s? Bless you, thank you, player. Don't like that top wick there. Chat, I'm going to cut this trade. I don't like that. I don't like that. If we were gonna push, we should have had a straight push on that flip. Don't like that. I'm gonna cancel that out. I don't like that. And you know what? We may even just cancel out gold for the day if it's gonna just range like this. You know, I mean, look at it here. It may just be GG's for gold for the day. It may just focus on NAS. Alright, let me add that to today's trades before someone who never types in the chat has a temper tantrum in the chat. Let's see. Where's today's trades? Oh, there it is. Well, it's 166 because of the fees, but it was really 160 on the dot. Is there news yesterday that I missed? You're 30. Yeah, there was news. Hi Ian. There was news pretty much every day this week so far. Yeah, pretty much. Let's close this purple. We're just gonna focus on NAS today. Alrighty. So remember we talked about that opening range. If we're taking a look at the 30-minute, right? We're back inside of that opening range, right? If you look at it from that standpoint. Okay, keep that in mind. Yesterday we played inside that opening range a lot as well. A little dangerous to play here. See, we got that 5-minute candle closing bullish there on NAS. So I do like that. And I know we had that happen over here. Was at 940. get rid of stuff we don't need. Just gonna add big, so it's right here. Let's see what type of play we get on NAS today, y'all. NAS may be a little bit more exciting. I like this. I like this showing some bullish pressure here. Now the question is how do we want to approach this, because we are coming up towards these VWAPs, which is a little annoying, but kind of like a 5-minute reversal, sort of. It's very complex 3-bar. I don't know if I'm gonna count that, but it's kind of there. Zoom in a little bit more on NAS here. So just gonna be patiently watching NAS here, see what setups we like or don't like. I'm thinking about buys. I think it might be sales on go. We'll see. 9:37 a.m. First presented FEG. Young Walk, good morning to you. Ranging between 2 bank zones. So I want to see if NAS makes a higher low here. We have to go to 1 minute so you see it. Right, so we talked about this I like this candle. I like that for buys. I like that. So, but that's not enough, right? It's not enough. Now that we came up to test this out, are we creating a higher low? What are we doing? So right now we're still in watch mode here. Nothing really standing out. You can kind of see the range we're in on the 3 minute here. It's kind of like this, right? Or kind of like sideways, trending down, you know. So yeah. But at this point, the way this 5 minute candle looks, I may wait for another candle to close bullish on the 5 minute. It really depends here. We'll see. We got about 25 seconds till this closes, though. Okay, and then we're gonna get the second half of this 30-minute candle. Very interesting. It's so cold in here today, chat. Why is it so cold in here? What the heck? Alright, let's check it out again so we don't miss nothing. Aha. What we have here? What do we have here? We're in the middle of these 2 bank zones here. So I like that we created a higher low here. May look for impulsive buy here with a 37-point stop loss. And this is our new 15-minute candle here. Getting quite the bounce in this area. Quite the bounce. So on the 3-minute, if we look at it this way, this would be, if this candle shoots up a bullish, this would be the flip zone. If we look at it from that perspective, the stop loss below the candle. On the 5-minute, similar perspective. Just waiting, y'all. We are just waiting. About 5 seconds till this 3-minute candle closes here. I think my tea is cold. Chat, let me just make sure my air is turned off because I swear I am freezing. Be right back. All right, chat, I figured out what it was. It was the windows were open. So, took care of that problem. Windows were open. That's why it was freezing. What's up, Motion Capital Trading? No coffee this morning? No, I had tea because I was cold. Okay, still watching NAS here. I'm thinking, let's see. Let me see this on the 4 hour. Okay, so yeah, we got down to this area. So we got down to the 50s here. If we hold the 50s, we'll see. Right now we're holding the 50s. Oh, push through the 50s. Just as we talked about it, will we hold them? Pushing through now. All right. Got the 50s highlighted right here. Will we hold the 50s is the question. I'm just trying to get this line right. NASA's gone. You know, honestly, if I look at this on the 30-minute, I could kind of see what they did here. I don't know why I didn't see that earlier. Although, at 10 o'clock, we were looking at gold, so that's probably why. But I kind of see what they did here. All right, Nas. Still coming on down here. Let's take a look at where that opening range is now. If we take a look, we are coming out of that opening range. Right, we're falling away from it here. Let me see, what were the other newses we were looking out for there? I think that was it at 10. Trump speaks again. Trump speaks again. He speaks every day, huh? Every day. By the way, chat, today's Friday, so we can play our drive-thru game. I did end up finishing the level off a stream, and we unlocked the drive-thru, so. And when we unlocked the drive-thru, we unlocked fries. So, yeah. It's gonna be interesting. He's a professional yapper. He's a professional yapper. You know, I was gonna say, I'm wondering if all these speeches are needed, because I don't remember this many Biden speaks in a row from last year around this time. I don't remember that many. But y'all let me know if you do. I feel like he's speaking because he wants to speak. Am I wrong? Is it because he wants to speak? Because I swear, but it wasn't Biden speaks every single day. I mean, there were times, but Definitely wasn't a Biden speech. He just loves hearing his own voice. Yuri, good day to you. Good morning. Good day to the live chat. Lynn's caught the Sydney, Asia, and missed the first leg. It's a great 5-minute chart trade. Got in a rally, sold when the first began. Slap. Opponent won. Lot hit TP. Nice. Nice. It's always satisfying when your TP gets hit, right? Isn't that a great feeling? Good job there. What's this? In the 70s. I just felt that temperature outside. That was not no 70s temperature. I was gonna get to the 70s. I was about to say, hold on a second. 33 minutes left on this hourly candle. Oh. What? What's that? Okay. So right now I'm just kind of looking at this as we're coming down into this candle here, right? We're right down into it. I'm assuming gold is selling off now. Let's bring our friend back. So let's take the chains, the handcuffs off of our friend. Bring our friend back here. Aha. Came out of that range to the downside. Let's see. Yeah, we got caught up over here in this area, but now looking at it again, it definitely wasn't the best buy area to take a buy in. But if you look at it on the 15 minute close back inside of this range, had a retest, and then we had a candle flip down here in the 15 minutes. So I guess the 15-minute perspective here was a lot better. A lot better. Move this over a little bit. Actually, yeah, I'm moving over a lot of bit. Let's measure that. Ooh, 58 point stop loss is not cool. But 90 points. 90 points on the drop. I'm still gonna clear gold off though, chat. I can't with gold today. I'm kind of over gold. I feel like it's gonna do too much after that. Maybe power hour. Check on gold, but all right, here we go. Here in the hourly, we got about 30 minutes left on this hourly candle. It is heavy here. Very, very heavy. Looking at the 4 hour, I mean, when we look at this on the 4 hour, let's turn it off. When we look at this on the 4 hour, it looks like we're gonna continue down towards this area, you know. We have an imbalance down here, but the problem with that is we do have this long wick in the way, 60 point range there. So are we? How far away is this? 125 more points. Can we get a piece of the pie? That's what we're doing. Back down to 22,000 here. Wow. 22,000. Amazing part was seeing the setup and move happening, headed to exactly what I saw. Yeah, that's nice, right? It's great to predict something, see it exactly play out, and hit your TP. What a great way to end your Friday, huh? It's great. I'm happy for you. Let's see. I mean, this is a huge 50-minute candle. 83 points. See, chat, the hard part is when something is a falling knife here. Hard to get in. Looks like over here when we kind of broke through that range was the time to get in. Now it's, you know, you'll have to wait for another range or wait for a retest, something, you know. Hard to just hop in here. Also studied Australian news yesterday. It wasn't mixed. It was better than expected with the 4.1 interest news release the day before yesterday. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness, here we go. Round two. Round two, what is this, round 10? Small retest. NASDAQ is just pushing. Pushing. Oh, we just wait, chat. We just wait. Oh, yesterday, Power Hour was very nice to me. 2 o'clock had 2 amazing setups. Nice and simple. Hopefully I don't have to wait till then, but I'm hoping we get something way before then, you know. By the way, chat, let me know, what did you eat for breakfast? I am starving over here. Holy, I think I need some brain power.
Markets basically picked a direction.
Check out
Top 3
Topstep.
dojis on the daily, and
We're actually gonna mute the convo and just check. I can't really see it. It's up 700.
I mean,
Excuse me, chat. Okay, it started off in the red. Oh, let's just go towards 9:30 time. Alright, start off in the red, starting to make some of it back. Alright, there we go, making some of it back. Let's see what their tip of the week is. Trade what you see. Base trades on charts, not bias. Avoid predicting, follow the price. Adapt to change market conditions. Let the market confirm your idea. I like that. Adapt to changing market predictions. Okay, what happened here in this trade? They're buying in Q. Yeah, it was a big sell-off today. Okay. Alrighty. 3-bar reversal on the 1 minute spotted. Same thing every day. Lens had some yogurt, oats, cheese seeds, strawberries, blueberries, and some scrambled eggs. I was about to say, where's the eggs? I know Ian has eggs every day. Breakfast today, mac and cheese, a bit unconventional, but I'm full. Bless you. Mac and cheese. I think I may get my acai bowl for breakfast today, chat. Acai bowl type of day. I low-key want eggs, though. And I'm contradicting myself. Or should I just go to the Waffle House? See, now the more I think about food, I'm like, ooh, let me get a whole full breakfast. I don't know what to get, chat. I do have eggs at home, but I don't know. I don't know what I'm feeling. Alrighty, here we're fighting at the 22,000 level. We are fighting here. Buyers are really trying to step in. $21 minutes left on the hourly candle. Holy. But check out the 30-minute candle. 30-minute candle's like, I refuse to sell off. I refuse. Let's see though. We just gonna be patient here. Waffle House sounds pretty good. Cut back on your sugar recently on waffles and fat. Yeah, sugar, sugar is so tough because it's in everything, right? It's in bread, it's in pasta, it's in bread and pasta are two things we love, right, chat? It's tough. Sugar's in fruit. It's in everything, Just gotta have it all in moderation. Like, I don't buy soda or candy or anything like that. So, that eliminates a lot of sugar already. Dang, I don't know if I'm gonna go to Waffle House, because last time I was there, I was freezing. They had the air on blast. Like, chill out. It is literally like 65 degrees out at the time. 65 degrees outside. We do not need that air blasting, okay? Let's chill. If I'm already cold now, I definitely don't feel that. I don't know, chat. Maybe I'll make my own breakfast. Just watching NASDAQ here. We are up and down on this 22,000 level. No decisions for me right now on it. I am waiting. No decision to be made right now. Come on, markets. Come on. We're encouraging the markets over here, chat. All right, let's take a look at that 3 minute. Oh, alrighty. So much for two bullish candles on the 3 minute. Here we go, coming on down. Take a look on the 5 minute. We did get a bullish closure on the 5 minute. However, it's almost looking like candle flip vibes, eh? Now, if this 5 minute candle flips up bullish, breaking the high of this candle, that could be a 3-bar reversal on the 5 minute. Right? If we flip up bullish here. Let me draw the bottom wick. Give me a second, chat. Okay, so if we create a bottom wick, flip up bullish, break these highs. Maybe looking at something here. Let's see what this looks like. That'd be the 30 minute flipping up bullish. Would be a 3 minute candle flip. It'd be pretty impulsive, but see the break at this high. 32. No, no longer 32. No longer 32. It's looking at a possible idea here. Looks like we're back to square one. We are back to square one. How do you manage to control your emotions when you have a losing position and a losing day? It doesn't bother me, but it doesn't bother me because I've been living this lifestyle for a very long time. Like, you have to think about it. Picture yourself living where you dream you can live. You're living in your dream place. You have your dream car. Life is good. You don't have to ask nobody for anything. What are you worried about? You see what I'm saying? The reason why people's emotions bother them is because they're trying to get out of the current situations they're in. You're trying to reach your goals, and your emotions are tapped because you're getting frustrated that you're not living your dream. You don't have the finances that you want, right? You're not doing everything you want to do. So that's why your emotions are bothered, because you're feeling the delay of not having what you want. You get what I'm saying? So it's much different when you do have it. That makes sense, chat? So, as I always tell you, how do you become successful in anything? You have to change your mindset to be the way it would be if you were already doing it. So you have to start thinking as if you're already successfully doing whatever you want to do. If it's trading, you should be thinking the way you would be thinking if you were successfully trading. How would you be thinking? It wouldn't bother you, right? So that's how we manifest what we want. A lot of people say, well, when I get this, I'll be happy. When I do this, I'll be this. No, you do it now. That's how you manifest it. You feel those emotions now. You feel that happiness, that freedom, right? Everything that you would feel in that moment of having what you want, you feel that right now, and you force yourself to feel that every day. You get what I'm saying? And that's exactly how you control it, because real entrepreneurs know that at the end of the day, it's going to be multiple setbacks, multiple failures. They're not worried about that. Just worried about the end goal. Right? Okay, we got about 3 minutes left. Feeling is the secret. It is the secret. That's why you see people. You may think, well, how certain people get there? Because they felt what they felt in that moment. Imagine yourself buying your dream car. What do you feel in that moment? Well, then that's the feeling you need to ignite in yourself. If you can imagine it, then you can have it. Anything you can picture in your head, you can have. That's the thing, but people don't believe that, so people just stay stuck. But if you believe that, when you actually believe that you are the co-creator of your life, and that you can do that, watch it happen. And the moment you see it happen, you're going to be like, wow, like, and then you just look at everybody else and you'll keep telling them and they'll just look at you like you're crazy. And that's okay. It's okay. We can't help everybody. We can only help who we can help, but we can't help everybody. It's crazy how simple it is, chat. It's really crazy how simple it is. Just eating a little bit better, making sure you get some sun outside, go outside for at least like 10 minutes a day. Get outside in nature. You can just go to the park, work out, focus on your goals, think positive. That's all you have to do, and you'll get there. So we're watching NAS here on the climbing itself back up to 22,000. So I like these 3 bullish candles in a row. That's showing some heavy bullish volume, right? 45 points, jeez. A lot different than these candles, okay? Why is it a lot different? Well, this has a lot of volume in it. Look how big this body is compared to these bodies, right? This has a lot of volume in it, so we'll see what happens here. But we also had that happen kind of over here. And then we were looking for that higher low, but it didn't really pull through. It didn't really pull through to come back up. It came back down. So let's see what happens down here. All right, we're pulling through. Let's see if we can get a swing in it up. All right, that would be better. That's something I would look for here, is some type of pullback or something. So let's see it on a higher time frame. On a higher time frame, I would label this slightly 3-bar vibes, slightly. Let's see it on the 5-minute. Not much on the 5-minute. 15 minutes, a little questionable. Let me just retrace the news we had. We had 8:30, we had 9:45. Okay, no, we're not gonna count 8:30. 9:45 and 10 o'clock. I'm gonna do something real quick. If I were to anchor 9:45 and 10 o'clock. Oh, we're still way below all that. My goodness. My. Newbie to the channel, what's the best to learn these techniques? Alan, welcome to the channel. Good morning to you. These techniques as in trading techniques? Or are you talking about my techniques? If you're talking about trading techniques, the most simplest way is babypips.com. It's a free course up there. Free. I always recommend that, especially if you're new. Just go to babypips.com, click on the menu, and I know it says how to trade Forex, but it's still same thing, candlesticks. Come here and learn all about the candlesticks. That's the best way to learn. If you're talking about learn my concepts, then you can learn for free on the stream. But what I do in detail is what we do on Saturday mornings, which is tomorrow. We have a master class every Saturday. Been hosting that class for about, oh, this is going to be the 4th year now. 4 years now. 4 years now every Saturday. And that's in the super supporter membership. But yeah, other than that, I mean, I post a lot of free stuff on YouTube. So if you check out my videos, there are free strategies in the videos, and you can learn a lot on the stream. So yeah, I mean, you can learn it all for free. All right, let's see here. Let's see. Kind of liking this a little bit better now. Actually, in the 5 minute, it looks more like it would be a 3 bar at the break of this high, huh? So right now I'm looking at the break of this 5 minute high here. I like that idea for a trade setup. I just don't think I like the stop loss. Yeah, I don't like the stop loss. Who likes that stop loss? How much is that? What? Oh, let me get this out of my way. Why is that in the way? 62 points, Ponde head. 62 points is a little wild. See if it can come down a little more. Come down a little more, Nas. Come down a little more. That's a bit annoying. Discord channel, yeah, Nightbot drops the link. Should be, oh wait, where'd it go, Nightbot? Yeah, it's in the description of the live stream. Should be in the description of the live stream. But I think Nightbot's about to drop it. Let me see if I can do this. Discord. Ponde, y'all are funny. I don't know where it came from. We just start saying it. Well, I mean, it is slang. It's slang. Oh no, look at this 15-minute candle. 5 minutes till this candle closes. On the 15-minute, heavily watching Nas here. No longer watching that little now, based on the way this looks. Oh, thank you, A7. Yeah, I thought the Discord thing would work there. I may have to reset it. For the longest time, I thought Nightbot was some random that came in here to promote their own Discord. Wait, ain't no way. Ain't no way. You thought Nightbot was a random person? That is hilarious. This might have been the pullback we were looking for. Man, patience is a thing, huh? Man. Alrighty. Let's see. What we doing? 3-minute candle. What we doing? Less than 3 minutes to go here. Come on. Okay, let's see. Still may look in this area. 40 points is freaking crazy. If price comes up towards this area, I'm going to be looking for some buys. They need a day bot, night bot, be working overtime. Facts. Silver might be a buy. What do I think? I don't trade silver. So I honestly, I never think about it because I don't trade it. Oh my goodness. I like it here, but this would be very impulsive to take it here. It's the only thing. I do like it here. I like it here for a buy. I clicked the wrong pair. I have to click NAS. Alrighty. There goes the entry here on NAS. Now, what are we targeting? What are we targeting? Well, we do have VWAP up here, about 89 points away. The opening range, the bottom of that opening range is right here. So there's a few different targets. Few different targets. We have this area. This is a good area too, that opening range. Bottom the opening range will be TP2. Actually, fly low right here could be a really this in as TP12, eh? Let's see here. I got this all
You wanna
wide.
come in and play with the goat? You wanna come in and play with the goat?
Just messing with my TPs, chat. Okay, TP1 is good. It's just where I want TP2. I think I want TP2 a little higher. Okay, maybe that makes a little bit more sense. And TP12, TP12 chat is right over here. And I'm gonna make it a little smaller. Make it a little smaller for you. Okay. All right, so we have a new 15-minute candle here. Coming into play. I know we're bouncing on right under the 90s here. Stop loss is at 62. So looking for price to be able to hold this area. Perhaps, yes, we could have put it to break even before, but I was expecting a retest because if it's the first time we're going to get a reversal, you know they're going to bring in a retest. I mean, that's inevitable. I mean, look at this bullish pressure here. Yeah, they're definitely going to give it a retest. If this, if we're correct on this trade, it has to have a retest. So that's why I didn't move stops to break even. So just giving the trade some room to breathe. Okay, so stop loss is under the support we created here. So looking to see if we can create a higher support and maintain this level. And then when we come back up and break these highs again, then I'll probably look towards a more secure break-even point, right? So I don't just do break-even right away just because I'm up. Here it was up 19 points, right? Up 19 points. Again, very tempting to do it. But, I mean, in order to try to see if you can get in this trade, you may have to wait. So, other than that, the way I'll manage this, if I'm not at break even yet, I'll look around and see if I still like the setup. If I see something that invalidates the setup, then, I'd rather take a scratch than a full loss. You know what I mean? My TGIF trade just did me bad, hit my break even, it left me. Oh, I'm sorry, Lewis. I'm so sorry. That is unfortunate. This on the 3 minute or 1 minute? I can keep this on the 3 minute. It's a huge candle here. I might put it on the 5 minute. I think the 5 minutes a little bit more valid to watch here. So once again, we're bouncing in right under the 90s, the high 80s area. Keep getting a bounce in that area, looking for us to hold these high 80s. There goes price down below the 80s now into we went all the way down to 73. No bueno there, no bueno. We don't want that. You know, because our stop loss is at the 60s. So now that we flipped up bullish here, if we come back down into the deep 70s, we may come down and hit the 60s. So in order to mitigate risk, what we're going to do here is wait, how's this saying? Why is it saying we're down 30? Wait, is there a trade open on gold? Because that number don't match. Did this open up a trade on gold? Oh my god, we're in a trade on gold. What? I thought did I have the wrong link up? Oh no, chat. Make sure your links are correct on Topstep, because if it's linked to the wrong chart, it'll open the trade up on the wrong pair there. Oh my goodness. Good thing I caught that. I'm looking at the number like, why did the number look like that? Yeah, chat, I'm gonna cut this trade. We came back down to the 70s. Doesn't make sense here. I'm gonna cut it and reassess. See if I like it in a different way. That was weird. That was open on gold. That was kind of weird. Just stay and hold gold. Deborah, welcome. Welcome. Alright, chat, let me add to today's trades. What happened was my chart link was messed up, so we're in a trade on gold as well. That's what happened. For those who missed it. So yeah, on Topstep, they have chart links. So you gotta make sure that your links are linked to the right pair, because when you go to open a trade, regardless of what this says, it's gonna go off of that chart link up there. So yeah, you gotta be careful. Yeah, it was 174, chat. See right here, 174. Looks like we're in a chopped mess here. Looked good at first on NAS. But it could be that it is forming that last pullback before really launching. But remember yesterday, it did this several times yesterday. I mean, thank goodness we weren't in it when it did it yesterday, but man. Just patiently waiting here. We could pull up gold though while we're waiting. We'll bring it back a little bit quickly, but that's funny that we were in buys there. Okay, it's got a new candle, and it could be an hourly candle flip coming up here on gold. Oh, look at it on the 15-minute looks good. That 15-minute actually looks really good. Too bad it's pretty chopped. Go back to the 15-minute. Yeah, but see, we're coming back into that range. That's really annoying. That's my only problem with gold. We're coming right back into that range. You know, Chad, the only thing with trading with ranges is annoying is because it's, how do I say? Sometimes you just can't, most times, if not, you can't predict when these ranges are going to happen. You know? Speaking of, thinking about giving NAS another chance here. Let's see if we can break through this high here. 34-point stop loss. I was about to say, did it enter and gold again? What the heck? I think the platform is just lagging. Alright, so now we kind of have that 3-bar reversal set up with the liquidity grab. Let's full screen that. Oh, I'm trying to full screen it for you. Full screen that. Okay. Now the 15-minute made a bottom wick. If you take a look at that pullback on a lower time frame, and just give it a second because Topstep is freezing for some reason. If we take a look at it on the 3-minute, you can kind of see the boop boop launch, right? Which on a lower time frame would be like, yeah. Oh my goodness, chat, what is going on? Why is Topstep? I'm gonna have to refresh, chat. I have to refresh my screen. But yeah, giving these buys another chance here, okay? Boom, boom, boom. Here we go again. Another pullback here. We had another 3-bar reversal here. We were able to hold this level. We created a higher low here. So giving the setup another chance. Minute as well. Alright, so we got TP1 here. Quit for today, gold's hurting my feelings. Oh, it's all good, Esther, all good. Gold's much better than NAS for buying today. Oh, it's more of an opinionated thing there. I think that, in my opinion, I think both of them are shot today. I mean, Nas had a good little sell-off this morning. Gold kind of ranged quite a bit. Speaking of, let's take a look. We haven't gave that EMA a look yet, but I'd love to pull it up here. So let's pull it up here. Oh, okay, so we're bouncing off in that. Interesting. I was just curious. All right, looks like we might have created a support on top of 22,000, which would be really good for this setup. See if we can get a launch here towards TP1. Really like this bottom wick on the 5 minute. Which is on the 15 minute, mind you. Yeah, I like that bottom wick there. So I'm gonna move stops to break even. It's beautiful. Let's see if we can continue this launch. So TP1 is about 282. Higher TP here is about 648. I don't know if we have the volume to really carry this. Tough to say. I mean, I feel like if we had better movement, I may even say this area would be like the ultimate TP for me here. I mean, we can still check it out, but we'll see how it moves. It's Friday, so it's kind of like a Hail Mary there, because it's Friday, so that's why I'm looking at this area, but we'll see what happens. Or would I have it on the 15 minute? Let me know, chat. How's your Friday going? Are you in the red or are you in the green? Or should we do a poll? I'm curious. Or no trades taken. Okay, you can see the poll there. It's about to show up there in the chat. There it is. Are you in the red or green today? All right, may get a launch here. Let's see. Make or break area. Been stuck at this area for a little bit. Either we're launching or we're folding. Stuck on 22,016. Let's see. Gotta break that high. Now, when it's time to sell off Nas just tanks with no mercy. But when it's time to buy Nas be acting confused, right? Like, oh wait, what am I supposed to do now? That's how Nas acts. You haven't placed a trade yet today? The sun is out, chat. Let me lower the window a bit. The sun is out. It's a little better, right? Oh, there we go. breaking that high. Let's see if we can hold it though. Oh, if we're gonna hold it or not, because it took 10 years to break it. We just take what we can get at this point. Jeez. Talk about a struggle there. Talk about a struggle. Really consolidating on top of this area here, and can't see it on the 3-minute, but we're just, you know, we're just kind of sitting here. Been sitting here for a while. Man, we had a spike of the high, but really having trouble holding that spike of the high, huh? We'll see. Always listen to Bloomberg when I trade so I can get the pulse in real time. Oh, that's interesting. That's different. Currently riding gold to the upside, but I won't stay in the trade for long. Yeah, it was looking like it was going to the upside. I just didn't like that it was going back inside of that rangy area, so I'm like, may let it be. Same with NAS. Depending how NAS acts here, I may take my profit and leave. But man, a 3-minute candle, 5-minute candle, really struggling to stay afloat. My goodness. I'm just watching this like resistance area. Alright, back down towards this resistance area. So we're gonna drag our stop. Oh, there we go. I was gonna say I'm gonna drag the stop to the resistance area because I feel like if we break through that, we're not really holding per se, and then we're doing what exactly we did yesterday, which we keep breaking out, come back, half breakout, come back, half breakout, come back, and then actually breaks out later on at 2. Alright, that wasn't much. What was that? 54. You can see it right here. 54. Yeah, let's see. Choppy markets this year have been very slow here. Very slow start to the year. On and off slow. Is it my Wi-Fi or her skipping like that? The audio's choppy? Let me see. Okay, Okay, I changed some of my settings. We'll see if that works. You have to give it a second though. We're good now? I'm checking my, yeah, I did drop some frames here, so it did get chopped for some people. Okay, should be good now. Looks like it's good now. I changed some settings there. Hey, Lincoln. Thanks for checking in. How's it going? Where's the P&L box? How come the P&L box isn't up there? Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay. I don't know what's going on with the stream chat. We got things missing. We got entering trades on gold without even being on gold. No. All types of complications today. Alrighty. I'm thinking I may do what I did yesterday, which is wait it out till power hour. Made about $500 or $600 yesterday during power hour, which was nice. And if they're gonna chop this around till power hour again, then I'll probably wait till around then to trade again. And then I may give the market a little bit of break, go get some breakfast. So that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking of doing. I'm gonna wait until around 2 o'clock New York time, which is in about it's in about 2 hours and a half. So 2 hours and a half of a break is pretty good to walk away, come back, see what we got for setups. So I think what I'll do, and you'll notice, right? You notice I keep my losses pretty small. Like my losses are small. I can cut them small because they're very easy to make back. Rather than lose 600, 700. Well, if you're keeping high risk, yeah, if you do high risk, it's easy to get back. But if you don't, it'll be a little tough to get back, right? So we keep our risk nice and small. We cut trades, and it makes it a lot easier to be profitable when you just come back with big green days, you know? So yeah, I think we're gonna play our drive-thru game for a little bit, and then I'll go eat. Let me just see here. Let's get our drive-thru game going. See, game is loading up. You should be able to see it in 1 second on your screen. I know you can't see it yet. Just give the game a second. The game is loading. There we go. Alright, chat, you should be able to see the game on your screen. All right, so we're gonna be using up this drive-through. It's gonna play for a little bit. Okay. How much money do we have is the question. $17.95. All right. It's the highest we've gotten so far, right? $1,795. Got our Honda Civic here. Start from the bottom, you know the vibes. All right. Let me redo my camera. Okay, we should be good. Here, reset that camera there. All right, chat. Drive-through time. You know the vibes. So let's make sure we have supplies before we open up. Looks like we need more cups. I don't have any down here. Definitely need more cups. Probably need more ice cream cups too. We have bread. Do we have fries? Oh shoot. We don't have any fries. We need pickles. Oh my goodness, we need so much. We need meat. Jeez. Alright. Let's turn on the computer. Let's order this stuff. The drive-thru is gonna be hectic. Yeah, it's about to get hard, right? Oh, they updated the game. That's why it took a second to download. Let's go. Wow, okay, so it's called Cheap Market now. That's funny, we're getting stuff from the cheap market. Wait, this is a cool update. Wait, so can I hire more people now? What's the restocker do? Unloads boxes from the delivery truck. I don't really need that right now. How about someone at the drive-thru for me? Wait. Wait, what's the watcher? What is that? Okay. Wait, do we need paper? Oh, we only have this much. Oh yeah, we need paper. Okay, let's order paper. We have buns. We need more patties. We got ketchup. We have to order more of each drink individually? What? We need soda cups. We need pickles. We need ice cream cups. We need paper bags for the drive-thru. We need oil to make the fries. We need fries. We need French fry holders. Did I miss anything? Wait, I have to order these drinks individually? How do I know if I'm out of those drinks? How do I know if I'm out of these drinks? Oh, wait. Wait, how would I know? What? I don't understand. Okay, we'll leave that alone for now. Okay, let's just purchase this. How much is this? $2.82. Okay. Let's turn this off. Alright, we just gotta unload the truck and get started here. Get people coming in. Let's take out our ingredients. Oh, did I need more tomatoes? I only have 12 tomatoes. Uh-oh. Lettuce looks good. Tomatoes. Wait, if I order it now and the truck is already here because I heard the horn. Is it gonna be in the truck? Or no. $72 for tomatoes. Oh, it can't be placed now because the truck is here. That is BS. $72 is crazy for these fries. Are the delivery orders in this game? No. No delivery orders. Okay, those are the fries. That's the meat. Rotate it, put it there. That oil for the fries. Waste oil. Alright, so the oil put here to make the fries. This is so tedious. Maybe I should have hired someone to freaking unload this. Oh, the wrapping papers. Okay, yeah. Pickles. Actually, let's fill that up. Here we go. We can just throw that out. I ordered 2 things of wrapping paper and no freaking way. Why'd I do that? That was an accident. Paper bags for the drive-thru. Oh, they look like this. Okay, why don't I set a few out? Paper bags look cool. These are French fry boxes. Put the fries over here, so I guess we'll put them here. Oh, okay. I see. Okay. Cool. It's a lot of work. We didn't even start yet. Ice cream. And soda cups. Let's make this truck leave so we can order the tomatoes. And we just need those ice cream cups. Let's order those tomatoes. $72 is insane. What order is on the way? What are they talking about? The truck isn't on. What are they talking about? Really? Alright. Over here. Alrighty, here we go. Perfect timing. Give me my tomatoes. No way, I had tomatoes here the whole time. Oh my goodness, no freaking way. I did not see that. No, just wasted $72. What the heck? Are you for real? Are you freaking kidding me? That's cool. Alright, we're good to go. We're good to start. How many burgers are we gonna make? Probably gonna make like 10 or 12. Let's get this ready to put the burgers on. That'll be 8. Alright, that's like 12, right? Alright, cool. And now we need the buns. And I saw a little thing online that said put the top of the buns on top of each other like this. Whoa. So we really have 10 patties we can cook. Okay. Let's make this 12. Go could potentially break out soon. 1. Now that we know we can kind of cook that many at once. Okay, we gotta flip them. Let's see, try to drag it out a little bit. There we go. Look at us not burning any burgers this time. Okay, let's see. Almost done. About these. Look at this cooking, man. Got this. Got this, got this. Okay. Okay, so burgers are done. We have to cook fries, then we get to start, right? Put this in here. Or oh. Now what? Click this. Oh, okay. yards to finish. 80%. 90%. Come on. French fry warmer. Okay. Okay. You know what? Wait. Oh, so pick this up. Oh, I see. Okay. I guess we'll just make them all. 6 of them? Is that enough? Alright, we got our burgers. We got our fries. It's time to open up. I'm just gonna make life a little easier. Have to watch the drive-thru and this. Okay, someone at the drive-thru. Yuma.
Hello.
Put in the bag. It's not the drink you wanted. Didn't you say Yuma? What the f- What? What? Somebody's lying. Ain't no way. What? It literally said Yuma. Am I tripping? There is no way. 2 tomatoes. That's it. Oh, they wanted fries. Okay. And they wanted ice cream. French fries. I went past them. Players laughing. Yo, you saw that, player. I know you saw that. Fries and a Frosty. What is this, Wendy's? Light splash of cola. Oh, light. Hamburger. Lettuce. 4 of those. No, I didn't put a top on it, did I? Oh well, they're gonna get it like this. I don't even care. This is how workers be, huh? Strawberry ice cream.
Hello.
Oh, there's someone at the drive-thru. Well, I forgot to put the top of the bun, but it's all good. How the heck am I supposed to do the damn drive-thru and this? What the heck? French fries. Lettuce. 3 of those. 1 tomato. What the other person want? Double burger is insane. 1, 2, 3. What? How many pickles? 4. 2 squares of mayonnaise. Oh, I was out of mayonnaise. This goes to the drive-thru. This goes to this person.
Hello.
Vanilla ice cream. Oh my god, I gotta finish the drive-thru order. What did you ask for? Strawberry ice cream. Oh my goodness. How is this possible? Hey, okay. Oh, there's a lot of people here. What the? Y'all need to chill. You were here first, right? Vanilla ice cream, hamburger. Two things of lettuce. Yuma. There's someone at the drive-thru. No way. No. Fries. No, I don't have any more fries.
Hey.
No. Wait, what is going on? Wait, who are you people? What am I missing? The burger. And it's a double. Are you freaking kidding me? Ice cream.
Hello.
Drive-thru. French fries. Oh shit, I ain't got French fries, y'all. I don't have no type of. Oh my goodness. We don't have French fries. Hamburger, 2 squirts of ketchup. This is crazy. 3 things of lettuce. They gotta fix the game because this is like impossible. 3. And then they want fries, and that's it. Wait, was that for the drive-thru? That's for the drive-thru.
Hello.
Hello.
No, are they burnt? Are they burnt? No. Well, shoot. She just drove off? Did she just drove off after I did all that hard work? Bro, what? What the heck? There is no way I'm gonna finish all these. Who's still here? Number 4 is still here. Double burger. Oh, nah, I'm not doing your order. I don't have enough. I know, number 4 is hamburger. Another ketchup. Oh, 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3, French fries. I mean, they burnt, but they here. Alright, number 2. Can't do you, double burger. All you people want freaking double burgers. Alright, let's see. What? Is that it? You left? Oh, they left. Oh wait, or is it this one? My bad. Alright, these two people are still waiting. Hamburger. Strawberry ice cream. Literally have no more burgers. This is entertaining to watch. Yo, this is... I feel like they're gonna leave, so I'll just cook one burger. Why cook 2? Or why cook 3? Because one wants a double. This is crazy. We go over the start. Oh, strat. Yes. Yes, 7. Yeah, we'll have a good review tomorrow. Oh my goodness. I'm just taking a break from the market. Go back into it. Wait, what? The double burger was the one that was left? Now they're gone. Oh, forget y'all. Oh, let me save the paper. Forget y'all. What the heck? That's crazy. I just wasted all these. It was a good start, but I mean, after that, it got kind of crazy, you know? They should allow you to hire help for the drive-thru or something. Maybe that's an update that's needed. I'm just saying. Because ain't nobody gonna want to come back to this restaurant. Cleaning up is no fun. No fun. We'll leave these for the next day. Anything else? Oh, the fries. I'll clean up the fries. No, don't put them in. How do you clean up the fries? It's the oil. Oh, I gotta take the oil out. Oh, I see. Okay, it's full. That's crazy. Think about it again. This is ridiculous. Just too much for one person, right? Yeah, it's... Maybe the game developers need to play the game. Because then they realize, like, okay, we need something else here. How do you get rid of the fries? What is this? Oh, these are the drinks. This is the part of the update. Oh, so this is how I see 95% down. Okay. Wow. Okay. Wait, I still don't know how to empty this. Can I pick up the garbage? I can't. Okay. Well, the fries probably have to be put away, I assume. In the big freezer, maybe. Anybody have a guess on how to get rid of these fries? Huh. I have no idea. I need more bread. This level feels like impossible, no? Oh man. It feels impossible. Oh, I have to close that. Alright, I guess I'll just save this day because I have no idea how to get rid of those fries. How much money was lost is the question. Give it to us. How are we in the red today? What are we? Forgot to close. There you go. Okay, let's see now. To the Honda Civic. Popularity 275. Profit minus 105. What? Well, did spend $72 on tomatoes that we didn't need, so I mean that would have been minus 30. We did pay these employees $60, but they barely helped us out. Okay, they did help us out. They served customers, but jeez, we had 15 customers. Only 5 satisfied customers. I don't know what to say. That's embarrassing. High key chat. That is embarrassing. Holy. What time is it? It is 12 o'clock New York time. So I was waiting until about 2 o'clock to look back into the markets here. Been having some great afternoon setups, so I think I'll do that. So chat, I got about 2 hours. I think I'm gonna go get something to eat and take my time eating, relax a little bit, chill out, and then I can come back to the market nice and refreshed, you know? But what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull up the market real quick. We're gonna pull it back up for you. Let me just close out of this game. I remember, what did I say before we went off? I said it looks like NASA's gonna dance in the same spot. Look, we've been in the same spot since we've been off of this. Because that's what it did yesterday. It just danced in the same spot until it actually went later on. That is unfortunate. Let's do a half screen here. Let's pull up gold. Where's my thing? Gold did end up coming up here. Yeah, I mean the 30-minute looks a lot better than what the other time frames look like. Alright, so gold did end up going up. move that over to have a bigger screen here. So chat, let me know before I leave you today, what do you plan on doing? You plan on looking at the markets a little bit later? What's your plan? Or are you kind of done for the day? Are you GG's for the day? Or are you looking at the market a little later? Me, I'm looking at gold as in this morning we should have been recognizing that 15-minute candle closure would have been a really good solid foundation on this sell-off here. We did talk about these possible buys, but it just felt like it was very risky coming back into this rangy area. Other than that, no really comment to make on gold. On NAS, 10 o'clock, that new hourly candle here, after we closed below the VWAP, with that news continuation down, was pretty good. But we weren't on NASDAQ, we were on gold then, so we did miss that opportunity. Let's see. So yeah, chat, I think we are going to wrap it up here. I will see you on Monday. Those of you who are super supporters, I'll see you tomorrow. What we do with the super supporters is we go through strategy, entries, etc., wins, losses, everything for the week. It's usually a pretty lengthy review. So that's what we do tomorrow. And we kind of like refresh ourselves for next week. Alright, so we will be going through a full week of the markets tomorrow morning. Other than that, I'll see the rest of you on Monday. Alrighty. Have a great weekend, y'all. Be safe. Be careful if you're trading later on. You know, if you don't see your setup, it's okay. Don't trade it. Don't trade it. Don't see your setup? Cool. If you do see your setup, then make sure you use risk management. Alright. Alright. Thank you so much for coming to the streams, y'all. I'm going to catch you later. Bye now.